Hey, I'm Pam, and today I want to talk about my song, It's Not Your Turn to Cry. So this song is kind of funny. It was my first official song that I was able to write and get in the studio. So I served 11 years in the Coast Guard. I did 9 active, 2 reserves. And with that, a few songs were born. You know, the guitar's always been my saving grace, and I always took it with me on duty. Before I knew it, I had some songs and some melodies, and it really got me through a lot of stuff. I was actually on a midnight watch, and my roommate at the time, she went through a breakup with her boyfriend. They got back together, and then he broke up with her again. And I remember she said, you know, his head's in his hands and he's crying, like, it's not your turn to cry. On my midnight watch, I took my guitar on the boat. I just started playing and writing, and this song kind of came out of it. It's kind of cool, and it was my first official song. I think the cool thing that I've learned here at MediaTech is just arranging the song. You know, you've got your intro, your verse, your chorus, and there's like the structure. But what I learned here is that it doesn't have to always be the same. It can be anything you want. And a lot of my songs are very different. And I now know how to merge my electric guitar with my acoustic to really, you know, brighten up the sound and really convey some emotion that I'm really trying to get out. And the school's been really cool to teach me those kind of tricks. So here we go. This is the song, It's Not Your Turn to Cry. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys want to know anything more about myself or MediaTech, check out the links below. fear. I may have had my doubts, they never seem to die. Shouldn't sit around